I've seen Reese paint beautiful scenes of the farm. I'm going to give it a try. Yes. Where to start? Yes, a little green. Oh, look at this little bit of red. Oh, perfect. Excellent use of color here, Ranger. Perhaps a bit ostentatious, but I find the pretensions amusing.
Look at Ranger. He's making a mess. It looks like he sat in the pink paint. Was Ranger painting himself or the canvas? Ranger, you're the messiest dog I ever saw.
Yes.
What's this?
It's art, Jessie.
Ah, silly me.
How do you like it?
They're colorful!
Thank you.
Ranger, you've really made some masterpieces. But you're also a colorful mess. You need a bath. It's for your own good, buddy. You can't stay like this.
I don't like baths. I'll just go roll in the field.
We know that, but it's necessary this time. You can't be a livestock guardian dog and look like a walking rainbow.
Girls, this is entirely unnecessary.
Do you want the fox and coyote to make fun of you?
Fine. Let's get this over with.
Ranger, come back! We need to get you cleaned up. Have you seen Ranger?
He was behind the hay pile last time I checked. Yes, the rainbow dog is behind our hay.
Ha! You missed him. You'll never catch Ranger if he doesn't want to be caught. Scout, help us find him. No can do. What kind of sidekick would I be if I gave him up? True. That's all right, Scout. Stay loyal. Ranger! Here, Ranger! Ranger! Here, Ranger! Here, boy!
Good job, Scout.
I didn't give them nothing. Let us hide too. Let's all hide in the hay. Hide and seek. Nobody will ever find us.
Get out of here. You're too loud.
Let me hide under your tail, Ranger.
No, get out of there.
Go back to whatever carrot patch you wandered out of and leave us to our business.
Not fair, not we just want to hide with Ranger. Mama, Scout won't let us play.
Good grief. I'll just find a new hiding place.
Nice job, Fluffy. You made him gone.
Have you seen Ranger?
He's behind the coop. Yes, the colorful dog is back there.
Gotcha! There you are, Ranger.
No, let me be. Rain will wash the paint off eventually.
Well, don't think for 1 second that you're taking me to the barnyard dance looking like that.
Oh, all right.
Oh dear, Ranger, the dreaded bath awaits you. How shall you ever survive?
You're enjoying this way too much, llama.
Of course. It's not every day you get to see the great Ranger take a bath.
Huh. I suppose you're going to give me some bath tips, eh, llama?
No, certainly. First, you must dip your paw elegantly into the water. Now close your eyes and pretend you're in a relaxing spa.
Yes. The serene sounds of splashing water and soap.
All right, Ranger. Time to get cleaned up.
Oh, look, a ranger, a bath connoisseur.
We brought bath toys.
There you go, llama. I survived.
Well, you're not Sugar Ranger. It wasn't like you were gonna melt.
You smell good.
I'm glad you like it, Jessie.
Can we put a bow on him, Mama? Yes, please. A bow and a flower.
Hard no.
Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.